in this very class. We have okay, well, this option might not be, if you're using an older version of Photoshop, you might not have this for option, but if you do, it is the edit toolbar, and right here you can edit the toolbar. You can change your shortcuts of every tool. For example, you want to change the shortcut of the move tool to say M, V, or whatever. You can change it from here, and you can just modify the tools. Okay, the toolbar, you can change your shortcuts and all of that. You can also decide not to show these options. So you can decide not to show the toggle. You can decide not to show the foreground and background option. You can decide not to show the quick mask. You can also decide not to show the full. So when you click any of this, it did disappear from the toolbar. When you click this, it goes off. Okay, but I want them there, so that's it. If you intend to modify, you can use this. Then the other option we have is the foreground and the background color. You can modify, you can just change them quickly by clicking on this arrow and it changes. And let's say, for example, you select other colors and you intend to return it back to default. Just simply press D on your keyboard and it will return back to the black and white, default black and white. You can change change the foreground color by simply clicking on the color and selecting any foreground color you intend to use, and you can use your brush, of course, to brush. You can use your brush to brush. Maybe let's have a new layer and you brush. Okay, the same thing with the background color. You can, of course, select and pick any color you want, and you can toggle in between the foreground and background color on that. Okay, the next one is the quick marks mode. You can actually edit with the quick marks mode. So let me delete this layer. Okay, you can come to edit with the quick marks mode. When you enter the quick marks, all you just need to do is to brush and select. Let's have a new layer, enter the quick marks and brush. Okay, when you brush, once you're done brushing, it will select the mask for you automatically. Okay, it will select for you automatically. So let's try to brush all of those areas. Don't forget your shortcuts to increasing. So the size of your brush, and that's it. So once you're done, just click enter on your keyboard, or simply click the quick marks, and it will bring you back. So just click on the quick marks, it will give you the selection. Now we already have the selection, and let's say, for example, we intend to fill with a solid color, and there you go, the solid color is there, and we have something unique. Okay, so that's it. The quick marks is a way of selection. And then, of course, this finally is to change your screen mode. The shortcut is F, so once you just click this, it changes your screen mode, and this is full screen. Okay, when you press F on your keyboard, it takes you back. So there are 3 different screen modes, as you can see. So take your time, practice, and ensure you practice to gain mastery. Thank you so much for your time. That will be all for this very class. See you in the next class.